Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Search Console, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Google Search Console. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Start Now button. Click on the Start Now button to initiate the login process. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address. Click the Next button after entering your email. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Again, click the Next button to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the Google Search Console dashboard. If you are new to Google Search Console, you may need to add a property. Click on the Add Property button to input your website details. Follow the guided steps to verify ownership of your website. Once verified, your site will be accessible within the Google Search Console. Explore the various features and tools available on the dashboard to optimize your website's performance. Congratulations, you are now logged into Google Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.